Today we're dissecting a perch, and he's about 15.3 centimeters long. You can write that in your lab notebook. And he has a width at his widest of about 4.5 centimeters. See that? 4.5 centimeters. If you look really carefully, you can see his teeth. You can see his fins, pectoral and dorsal.
This is what we call a whole dead fish.
And then he's got these scales right below the jaw here. I'm gonna try and kind of puncture into the cavity without going all the way into the deep tissue, and just make a cut along.
The rooster smells the fish.
Nice. There we go. All right. It keeps cutting through, but not. There we go. All right. So then I'm supposed to be shaving off his skin to get at the musculature. Okay, here I am skinning the fish so we can see the external musculature. So it's a very tedious process. I'm pulling back the skin and just kind of loosely teasing it away. I have skinned off the layer of the skin just to let you see that external musculature. See how the muscles are running exterior here. Now we're gonna open up the fish and look on the inside, which is, I'm sure, what you've all been waiting for.
Don't mind the children heavily breathing in the background. They're going for a run, apparently. I think my foot is broken, Mom.
Trying to make a window into the abdomen.
See, what you guys don't know is, because you're watching this video, you don't know that Mom gets very zoned in when she's paying attention. I could be falling in a deep pit and screaming, but she's focused on her science.
Yeah, some things are more important.
Yeah. It's okay, though, because she'd save her fish from falling.
Well, it depends if it was the one I was dissecting at the time or not.
Yeah, well, you know. Priorities.
You can see as I'm cutting this away, can you see the bones on the inside of that there? Remember, these are vertebrates. These are the bony fishes. You can see the bones.
I thought you called them vertebrae.
They're vertebrates, as in they belong.
I know, but is there vertebrae?
Well, that's the actual backbone, yes. If
I knew there was
been
a word.
calcified.
I knew that was a word.
It is a word if you're talking about the right thing. You gotta use it in the right context.
I was talking about the right thing. You were the one not doing it. You have to switch your mindset.
Okay. So now you... He's poked me.
There.
See the inside?
Guys, be careful when you do this at home. Fish scales are pointy.
They are very pointy.
In case you guys don't know, that's a very technical word for sharp.
Okay.
Yes,
now the fun part is trying to cut all this away so you can see it.
I've experienced the wrath of fish spines and scales. They are very pointy.
Anna, can you open up the textbook? I have cut through from the top of its head all the way through and cut half its head away so that we can look on the inside. You can see its eye is here. And these are the gills. And now I'm going to try and trace this stomach all the way to its origin is my goal in doing this.
You guys are missing out on half the experience because it smells
So
like
here's
you'd
the
expect the
gills.
dissection to smell that you're missing out.
And the air bladder, and if you look carefully, we can see the stomach under in here. If we move the air bladder up out of the way, you can see more of the stomach and intestines more neatly tucked away in here. Is the heart that we're looking at here with its chambers at the top. It's really hard to tell with some of these. When they've been preserved, it's hard to see what the different tissues are. But I'm going to totally remove this so I can see the tissues underneath it.
Well, it has no heart anymore.
Here is the pore where the intestines come out, and it's like its little fish booty. All right, and it comes back up into there. And when I pulled the intestines out, then I could see the gonads along here. Here we have the mouth. We're looking for the opening to the digestive system. Hello. And here we have, I've opened him up.
So
Okay.
she's chopped his head in half so that she can play with his mouth and make him a puppet.
And the cool thing is, I think I may see the brain from underneath, but anyways. You can see the liver, you can see kind of the gallbladder up in there as well. Little tiny attachment here onto the digestive system. There we have a gallbladder, there we have a liver, all the different parts of the fish. Take your sketches, and we're going to move on to the frog in the next episode.